what's up, y'all? Listen, they say we need to give a second for the people to come on in. Come on in. I didn't post it on Instagram, y'all, but y'all know what it is. Dr. Heavenly. We let Dap in. Dap, I'm going to let you in there, baby, because you're right on time. You're professional, ain't it?
Hey, I try to be. Hey, listen. I don't know what's up with this StreamYard.
What's up? You can't get it to put the videos up?
Share screen, it don't work the same for some reason. And I thought I set it up like 30 minutes ago, and then when I go live, and it's just
I got the share screen button. Do I have to do something?
Nah, you don't have to do anything. It's something on my side. I'm working on it right
now. I see share. I can share it.
Yeah, I can share it too.
With you?
Huh?
I don't have to share it with you because it's my stream.
No. Let me see your computer. Let's see here. Nope, you don't have to.
What's up? Listen, while he get that together, we gonna go over the investment tips. Listen. First of all, my boopies, you know I love y'all, right? And I always give y'all investment advice, right? First things we always talk about is compound interest. We talked about 7 streams of income. We're going to go back, right? 7 streams, right? We talked about 1, having your own business, right? 2, having an online business, right? 3, keep your day job. That's a business, right? That's your job. Make sure you run it like a business, okay? 4, your 4th stream of income has to be real estate, whether it's your personal home or your investment property. Some people choose to put money into their personal home and buy like a $3 million house and don't have investment properties. Other people, like myself, would like to have several properties. Therefore, if some shit go wrong, you can sell one of them and keep your primary residency, right? Residence, okay? And we talked about life insurance, right? Right? Then we talked about 401k. All the tax deferred and tax deductible stuff you can do through your employer, i.e. 401k, cash balance plan, right? We talked about 529s. We talked about IRAs, all of that. Listen, all that's good stuff that you can save. Some of it's tax deferred, okay? That means you don't pay taxes until years later. 401k, 59.5, or whenever you decide to take it out. Idea is your tax bracket will be lower, therefore you will pay less taxes, hopefully, okay? So that's 7. And then we talked about the life insurance. 8th, baby, I said 7. I'm on 7 right now, 7, and I'm going to change my 7. It has to be a more risky investment, and I'm going to say cryptocurrency, right? Cryptocurrency, y'all. I ain't believe it when I ain't gonna say Jewel told me years ago, 7-8 years ago. Didn't do it. Last couple of years, been doing it. Big money. I ain't even lying to you, y'all. Y'all need to find this out and figure it out for yourself. Now I got Dap on here because he's my guy. He's in Miami, right? He's going to explain you the crypto I'm doing. The reason I'm doing crypto like this is because I don't have time to learn that shit. I'm trying to get my little boy. I gave him money to invest. It was up, but then it left.
I think I found out how to do it. We good.
Okay. So I gave him money to invest, and I want him to. Okay, now you got a mirror, echo. Yeah, there you go. And I can't do crypto for myself. So I found this company, NovaTech. I do not own the company, y'all. I do not give financial advice, y'all. All I'm doing is showing y'all what the hell I'm doing for my boopies. Do it if you want to. If you don't do it. But listen, I tell you, learn the stuff for yourself. Do your own research, right? This is what I'm doing. And if I'm doing it, it makes some damn sense to me, right? Listen, my savings account ain't doing nothing, right? It ain't helping me at all. But these accounts are growing. And like I say, keep everything diversified. Don't put all your money in one thing and don't play with anything, especially cryptocurrency, because it's more volatile. Anything you cannot afford to lose. Don't use your light bill money. Don't use your gas, your water, your kids' tuition. Don't use this for this, okay? This is some money here that you will watch grow. Well, I've been watching it grow. But we never know when I don't think the crypto market is going to ever end. Is it that?
Nah, it's here to stay.
But y'all say that. But, I always tell y'all stay diversified. Because, listen, don't put all your money in anything. Because I really do think real estate, the property's going to bust soon. In fact, I've been told by a lot of my financial planners that real estate's going to bust. Crypto, Don't know what's going on. Listen, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing, and I can show you what I'm doing. That's all. And I ain't even gonna tell you how much I'm making because y'all ain't gonna believe it. But go ahead, Dap. You're gonna take the stuff. He gonna show you about NovaTech, what we doing with cryptocurrency, and somebody's investing it for me.
All right, cool. You said I was echoing. I sound fine.
You good now? I think when you
okay, cool.
Up, it was echoing.
Oh, okay, cool. Well, what up, everybody? We're about to get started. We getting right into the juice. So my name is Dap Dunbar. I live here in Miami. I'm married. I got 6 children. Been in the crypto space for now 3.5 years full time. Been doing it for about 7 years. I'm a licensed broker with the Department of Financial Services here in Florida. I've been moving over people's annuities and 401ks and 403bs and all those good things for a long time. And when I got into the crypto space fully during COVID, is when I was able to actually call myself a multimillionaire. Never was able to do that prior to that. Been a 6-figure earner pretty much all my life. But when I got into the crypto space, timing was one great thing. 2, I started to learn and I put myself around a lot of other young and old folk that was already doing it. Within about 6 months, I was able to capture and understand how the market works and find platforms like what we're going to talk about today that allows us to not have to have any type of skill set. All right. You don't need no knowledge. All you need to know how to do is go on a computer or your phone. All right. Fill out a little quick 1-page registration like everybody does when they're filling out something and deposit some money into a crypto account. And if you can do those 2 or 3 things, then you'll be able to see hopefully profits and returns on a weekly basis like Dr. Heavenly and myself and over 10,000 of our team members within our investment community has been doing for the last 7.5 to 8 months in this particular platform. So I'm going to share a screen right quick and you guys can, I guess, ask questions in the chat as we go. And we'll do that. So let me go ahead and share my screen real quick. Let me go to my window. And let me make this a little bigger. Oops, it's not what I wanted. Let me make this a little smaller. Let's go back here. And let's make this bigger. All right, cool. Dr. Heavenly, you seeing my screen full? NovaTech? Come off of mute. I can't hear you.
I put myself on mute. Yes, I see your screen fully. Yes.
All right, cool. Awesome. So, guys, the name of this hedge fund, this crypto hedge fund, is called NovaTech. Like Dr. Heavenly said, we don't own this company. We are a passenger in the vehicle. And there are hundreds, I'm not going to say hundreds of thousands. There's about 120,000 of us around the globe, including America, that happen to be in this vehicle. It is a Black-owned crypto hedge fund, one of the first ever. And it's been going on for almost 3 years now. So you might say to yourself, man, am I late on the bus? Absolutely, you're quite early. So sit back, relax. And as you can see on this picture, there's a reason why there's one building standing tall. And it's not because it's the one building in New York City. It's because NovaTech is the only company of its kind right now that is built for the people, by the people, with 3 years of track record showing that they have been able to deliver profits week in, week out to all of its members. That's why it's standing alone like that. Now, what is this platform? Trading Profits Made Easy. It's a fully automated cryptocurrency and Forex trading platform. So any of you that have heard of Forex cryptocurrency trading, yes, fully automated, which means not that things are just happening by itself with the robot. That's not what's happening. Fully automated, meaning you don't have to do anything except for deposit into your own trade account. However, the company is actually manually trading while using technology and tools to be able to help us consistently find the right entries in the market to be able to earn profits on a weekly basis. Now, before I begin, guys, I'm going to show you a quick calculator. All right. I got to throw this disclaimer out real quickly because I want you to understand that what I'm showing you here is a third-party tool. Each and every one of you can literally download this on your phone. You can go on the internet and go to thecalculatorsite.com. All right. And you'll be able to pull up this awesome calculator that I'm about to pull up right now. Dr. Heavenly, just confirm with me that you see the calculator now.
Not yet. I see the disclaimer.
Okay, you still see the disclaimer. So that means on this, I'm going to have to stop the stream real quick. So let me go back to it. Let's stop this. Oh, you know what? Let me go share.
Listen, we can't guarantee anything. All we can do is tell you the past performances, but the past performance is not indicative of the future performance. And anything you do, you know it's a risk, right? So I'm not telling y'all that. All I'm telling you is listen, why this train running? And I don't think it's going to stop. I don't know. It's running pretty fast. And I'm watching some of my colleagues and some of my people that I know drop 100, 200, 300, $1 million in this. So do what y'all do for research. This DAP, this is what he do for a living. But I'm just telling y'all the businesses, I will bring different business platforms on here. NovaTech is just one of them. Go ahead.
Absolutely. You can see the calculator?
Yes.
All right, awesome, cool. So we rocking and rolling. So what I'm gonna do right now is show you guys an example, all right, of what our profits have looked like over the last 32 months. Okay, again, future profits is not indicative of the past, and the past is not indicative of the future. But what we can say is for almost 3 years, June will make 3 years. This is what we've experienced, and this is what we anticipate to experience with what the company has been able to deliver. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to put a simple $1,000 starting balance. Now, I think we all grown-ups on this call. And if you're not over 18, then you can't join this particular platform anyway. But we're all adults here. And the reason I'm putting $1,000 because most adults, all right, I'm not saying all because some of you may not be in that category, but most adults can afford to part with $1,000, meaning it's not going to change the trajectory of your life one way or the other. You're willing to invest it, all right, with no expectation of anything major in return. All right. The same way you invest in a 401k and everything else, it's not over. It's 30 and 35 years you in retirement to see anything of significance. What we're going to show you here does not take anything of that time frame. All right, $1,000, and I'm going to use a 3% average rate. Now I'm saying 3% because that's what the average has been. All right, actually it's been a little more than that, but I'm using 3 to not overpromise and underdeliver. All right, I want to underdeliver and overpromise. If you end up seeing more and higher returns on an average, then great. That gave you something small, it ended up being something big. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to weekly because we are able to see potential profits on a weekly basis. All right. And withdraw our profits if we choose on a weekly basis. Everything we're talking about is on a weekly basis. All right. I'm going to use a 5-year projection. I want to show you long term and short term. All right. Now, I know most of you on here have never done an investment, all right, that has put you in a position to retire in 5 years. How do I know that? Because 92% of America works check to check for the most part, right? So if that's the case, then you're not investments that are putting you in a position of being financially free. This is a platform that gives you that potential, all right? That's all that I'm saying here, all right? Now, you see where it says compounding? I'm changing it to weekly, all right? Heavenly talked to you guys real quickly earlier about compound interest. It's the 8th wonder of the world. It's what we all do. It's what the banks do with our money every single day. The only difference is they're giving you a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of a point while they're making tens of thousands of % on your money on a yearly basis. I want to say that one more time. All right. They're giving you fractions of a % per year. And they're making thousands and thousands of % on your dollar every single year. What's the problem there? The problem is you don't know what you don't know. Here's an opportunity for you to learn just a little more. All right. Now, I want you guys to think for a second. What do you think this $1,000 has the potential to be if you're earning 3% a week over the next 5 years. Well, let's hit calculate so you can see for yourself. Yep, you're looking at that, right? And no, it don't say no $2,176. I wouldn't be doing this call for that. All right. It says 2,176,000 and change. This is what the potential future investment value of your $1,000 one time, not putting anything else into your account, could potentially be over 5 years. All right. Now, do you have to keep your profits in there for 5 years? That's not what I said. I'm showing you what potentially you could have in 5 years, what a lot of you in your current positions and jobs won't have in 30 years. And I'm only stating facts here. All right. Now, I want to break this down for you because some of you are looking at this like, man, please, that's like telling me I'm going to get a 6-pack in a year. All right. I ain't had a 6-pack in 30 years. Well, I'm about to show you how you're able to get a 6-pack in your finances. All right. And it doesn't happen overnight. But if you do it every single day, you do something every single day, or at least NovaTech does something every single day, here's what can potentially happen. I'm going to break this down by the month. All right. Now this is going to get real for a lot of you. This is where you're going to be like, oh, okay. Now I'm listening. Take a look at this right here. Your $1,000 after the first 30 days, all right, has the potential to be $136 of profit. Now, I know most of you are like, $136? What am I going to do with $136? Well, you tell me the last time your bank account gave you $136 on $1,000 sitting in your account in 1 month. I'm here to tell you I'll give anybody $500 today if you put it in the chat right now and you're able to prove to me that you got $136 on $1,000 in 5 years sitting in your bank account. And I can guarantee you nobody will be able to say anything. All right. So again, I'm only sharing facts with you so that you can understand the comparison here. Look what happens in month 2. That 136, if you redeposit it, will be 155 or higher. In month 3, 176. In month 4, 200. See, what's happening here is what I call the compounding effect, or the progressive realization of redepositing your profits every single month, right? So that your account continues to grow. Look what happens after 6 months of compounding or redepositing your profits into your trade account. You literally will double your account, ladies and gentlemen. You had $1,000 in your account. In 6 months, you have the potential through NovaTech, if they are able to consistently do what they've been doing in the past for us, you will be able to double your account. Some of you asking, well, if I could double my account in 6 months, can I take my $1,000 out? Ladies and gentlemen, you can take your $136 out every month. All right. You can take your $30 out every week. I'm only giving you scenarios so you understand the play and the different ways that you can play the game. All right. Look what happens after 12 months, ladies and gentlemen. After 12 months, you have $4,600 in your account. Now, I don't know about y'all, but if you could take $1,000, put it into your own trading investment account, the company is doing all the work, and you could potentially have $4,600 in your account. Well, look what would happen after 24 months, ladies and gentlemen. $21,000 in your account. Mind you, I never said you putting in more money. Some of you are like, well, what if I wanted to put in more money? We'll get to that in a second. Some of you are looking at this like Dr. Heavenly looked at this when we first showed it to her, what, 4 or 5 months ago. And she was like, look, can I put 21,000 in? I don't want to wait 2 years to make 2,600. I can't live off of that. Not with my lifestyle and how I go about things. And I said, yeah, you can put in whatever you want. Some people have to grow over time to get to where they need to get to. Some people are already there. It takes money to make money, right? So if you wanted to throw 21,000 in your account, then yes, you have the potential to start earning $2,600 in your first 30 days. In 3 years, guys, in 36 months, look at it right here, 100 grand in your account. All right, $12,000 a month. Guys, I've been in this platform for 2 months now. I crushed this number. All right, crush it. And I'm going to show you all that proof for those of you that want to see this when we go into our next phase.
You said you've been in 2 months. You're saying at 2 months you crushed it, right? Because you've been doing it about, what, 6 months now, right?
Well, no, I've been doing it 6 months. But what I'm saying is this 100,000 here, all right, in 36 months, I did this in 6 months.
In 2 months, you mean?
No, this takes 3 years to do this, right?
Oh.
It took me 6 months to get my account to 100K. All right, we'll talk about that on the next go round. All right, but right now, I just want to show y'all if y'all only put $1,000 in your account and you did nothing else. All right, this is for the lazy folk that say, look, I got enough on my plate. I don't feel like doing nothing but depositing my money. And every Friday, we don't call it Friday, we call it Friday, we can look into our portfolio and say, okay, I can either redeposit it so I can make more money the next week, or I could take it out and spend it like I want. That's exactly what I'm saying. All right. I'm not going to go any further. You get my drift. If you did this over 5 years, it'll be over 2 million. In 4 years, it's 467,000, earning you approximately 56,000 a month. All right. In cryptocurrency that can be crossed over right to fiat currency, your dollar, if that's what you want to use, and spend it like anything else. All right. Let me go back for a second. Some of you like, man, look, $1,000. If you're trying to tell me I can make $2 million or potentially in 5 years, well, what does 5,000 look like? Ain't no different, guys. If you put 5,000 in, it's just 5 times that number. So now you got 10 million potential over 5 years. And the difference is you get to your goal much faster. Why? Because after 12 months, now you have 23,000 in your account, earning you 2,700 a month. After 2 years, you got 108,000 in your account, earning you approximately 13,000 a month. So you see what's happening here? Somebody put 5 in, they can get to their 100K in 2 years, where if you only put in 1, it's going to take you 3 years, right? The more skin you got in the game, right? The more piece of the pie that you're going to get. I hope that makes sense. Let me show you one other scenario, guys. I'm not going to go into the bigger scenarios. I know we probably got people on here like myself, Dr. Heavenly, and hundreds of our other investors and team members that can put in much more money. But I want everyone to know that this was created for the average person. If you got money, yes, you can be just like me and Dr. Heavenly and a bunch of us out there that can really make a lot of money in a week that some people wish to make in 6 months to a year. But for the average folk, that person that can only put $500 in their account, all right, we want to show you that $500 can potentially change your life over the next 2, 3, 4, or 5 years. Is it going to change your life in the first 12 months? Absolutely not. All right, this ain't no get rich quick scheme. This ain't no fly by night proposition. All right, this ain't no strip club. This ain't no drug dealing. This is literally building your wealth over time. The only difference is you're not doing the work. All right. So that's where I'm going to stop right there with the calculator. If y'all got questions, let's hold it to the end. But what I want to do is I want to go real quickly over the company so that way you can understand where we coming from.
What's the website for the calculator, Dap?
It's thecalculatorsite.com. All right, let me go ahead and share my screen again. Dang, boy, these Florida mosquitoes ain't no joke. Share window. Uh-oh, where is my... Oh, I got to bring it up. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Where's my keynote? There we go. All right, here we go. Should be popping up right now. Bingo. All right. So let's go into who we are. Let's talk about the foundation of what this company is. Again, let me preface this. I got to say this. All right. It's 120,000 plus folk in this. When I got into this in September of 2021, just 6.5 months ago, it was 30,000 people. So I'm saying that for all you analyticals and engineers. Most analyticals and engineers are broke. All right. I deal with thousands of people every single week. Why? because you overanalyze. You want to know everything. We're not asking you for your life savings. You put in what you can afford to part with and watch the company make money for you on Friday. And when Friday come and you got your profit, then you analyze that instead of trying to figure out how they doing this and how they do that. If you're not a trader, if you don't understand the trading philosophy of how cryptocurrency works, you're not going to get it. All right. Who we are. NovaTech is a subsidiary of NovaPay LLC. All right. So the company that we are a part of, the hedge fund, is NovaTechFX.com. All right. But the umbrella is NovaPay LLC. They are registered in Florida. All right. You go to sunbiz.org. You can put NovaPay LLC in and you can look them all up if you want. All right. Now, their products and services. This company, all right, and the owners have many different businesses within the crypto space. This is why it's a hedge fund. They have Bitcoin ATMs. And sorry for my little chart. It's a little kind of bundled together. All right. They own Bitcoin ATMs in Florida. They also have a crypto and debit card transaction business where you can actually buy Bitcoin on their website on NovaTechFX.com. All right. Crypto and Forex trading is their forte. That's how we're able to have the consistent profits on weekly basis. They're all in the crypto mining space. They own their own crypto mining farm that they're going to be bringing out into our investment platform to allow us to earn even more. That's going to come in the third quarter of this year. All right. Now, who are the owners? You're looking at them right there, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Yes. Black and beautiful. All right. Been through the fire, been tested, have made millions for corporate America, Fortune 500, Fortune 100. They've been network marketers, affiliated marketers. They've had success. They've had failures. They have taken all of their combined experiences, all right, and have now created a hedge fund that's designed for us, by us. And when I say for us, I'm talking about for people. All right. For the average folk out there, that's not the 1%ers. All right. The 100 millionaires and billionaires. For the people out there that's trying to find a place to build wealth for their children's children. All right. Again, this is just one vehicle. I'm not going to go into what you see here. I'm sure you can read. And if not, then that's something that you're going to have to figure out on your own. But this is real people, real profits, real results, real company. What I want to do for you guys right now, I want you to hear from Cynthia herself. It's a 2-minute audio and video with Cynthia actually sharing with you what NovaTech is. All right. Let's let you hear from our CEO herself.
Hello and welcome. My name is Cynthia Petian. I am the CEO and one of the founders here at NovaTech. And I'd like to first say thank you for taking a moment of your time to learn more about our business plans. And a very special thank you to whoever introduced you to this opportunity, as well as to our leaders around the world who are taking time out of their day every day to share this opportunity with communities like mine and yours so that we can spread the good vision of NovaTech. Now, I'd like to ask you one simple question before we get started. Have you ever heard this before? I will never do another online business ever again. Well, if you have, you're not alone. We've heard it many times ourselves, and we understand how you feel. And perhaps maybe you were the one who said it yourself. Well, we hope we can change that. And we'd like to offer you maybe a little glimmer of hope or a better opportunity that you couldn't find before. And it's the reason why my partners and I got together back in June of 2019 to build NovaTech. We are a registered broker with MetaTrader offering a Forex and cryptocurrency trading platform. Currently, we offer a couple of different styles of accounts, including a PAM account, which is our pool asset management account. And this allows passive investors or those who don't necessarily know how to trade the ability to invest in one of our master accounts and allow NovaTech to trade on your behalf. Now, we also have our Mt5 accounts, and this is for people who want to be able to trade on their own. And you can trade whether you are a skilled trader or a novice trader, or open up a demo account just to test it out first. But you can go ahead and trade on a platform with very low commissions and spreads and be able to earn income on your own without any intervention from us. And recently, we offered a very exciting program, which is to help you get paid as you trade. And this program was introduced as a pilot program for people who want to trade professionally with a reputable and reliable trading platform. And it offers you a 30-day testing period with NovaTech, where you can actually test your own trading skills and possibly get paid to trade. Finally, we have something that we can call our own, something that we're extremely proud of. We've built a program and a strong foundation that is not only sustainable, but profitable. So guys, this ends my time here with you. I hope to be able to see more of you. And if you have any questions, please reach out at any time. We have our help desk support available at contact@novatechfx.io, and hope to see you soon.
All right. So, oh, what happened? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. I don't see my screen, no.
Yes, blank. You want me to take it down?
Hold on. Let me stop it real quick. I don't even see you. I only hear you.
Okay, I see you, baby. Something you're doing.
Yeah, my screen is blank. I don't see nothing. I just see a black screen. No, my camera's on.
Let you down. I'm gonna take you off the thing. I'm gonna take you from here.
Okay.
Kick you from the studio. Now come back in, okay? All right. So basically, I wanted to answer some of y'all questions. I was trying to answer them as he was talking. Should you know, y'all listen, all I know is I know people that dropped $1 million in this, 500,000. I know that ain't the average Joe. I know it ain't. But imagine if you dropped $1 million, right? If it's some play money, like you got 10 million and you just put $1 million over here, right? They taking out 30 grand a week, right? 30 grand a week, right? That's what, 30, 60, 90, $120,000 a month, right? And what they're doing is they're taking out their profits until they get to the initial amount of invested. For example, if you put in 100,000, right, you get your return on your investments every week. They're taking that out, putting it in something else until they get their 100 grand back, and then they're letting the 100 grand that they made ride. You understand? So they're getting their money back. Some people like me, I'm compounding my money every week because I ain't got nothing else to put it in. Like, my bank account's not making nothing. You know what I'm saying? Really a fraction of a percentage. 401k, what is that? 11% in a year? I'm maximizing that already, and it only lets you put in a certain amount. So ain't nothing else you could really do. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not giving y'all advice. All I'm saying is I've seen this work. I would not even be on it if I did not. I got introduced by a good friend. Y'all know her. A lot of my doctor friends are doing it. And they've been doing it for a while, and they've been able to get their money in and get their money out. Now, I do think it's a window to this shit, and that may not. I don't know. I'm very skeptical, right? Get your money in, have a plan, a exit strategy, right? When you start, like, hey, I'm gonna put this amount in, I'm gonna put this amount in every month, I'm gonna get my money out and I'm gonna let it ride. Or I'm gonna put my money in, I'm gonna let it ride for 2 years, and then I'm gonna take that out and then do whatever. Have a plan. Let me let that back in. He back here. Let me see what the baby talking about. Okay, here go Dad.
All right, I'm back. I don't know what happened to my screen. So, all right. So, as you heard from Cynthia herself, established in June of 2019, guys, get on the bus. Get on the bus. We've been rolling for almost 3 years, guys. All right, legally registered crypto hedge fund. All right, they are registered in the U.S. All right. Some of you may ask, well, are they registered with the SEC? No, it's cryptocurrency, ladies and gentlemen. There is no regulation for cryptocurrency right now. That's what the whole executive order and everything going on in Europe. Everybody's trying to adapt cryptocurrency into the main infrastructure. But until they create their own coin, it's going to take time, guys. So this is the time for you to get in. It's the digital gold rush. If you know your history in America about the gold rush in the 1800s, well, guess what? All right, when the Rockefellers, everybody got a hold of it, all right, government started to put a ceiling on it, the wealth transfer was done. Either your last name was J.P. Morgan, Chase, Rockefeller, and all of those other names, or you just ended up being the common person having to grind every single day. This is the opportunity for you and your family to get a piece of the pie. All right. NovaTech is a MetaTrader 5 broker as well. I'm not going to spend too much time on that. If you are a trader in Forex or crypto, you know what that is. You can legally sign up for them and trade your own money and not even have them trade if you were a trader yourself. They have one of the best platforms out there to do cryptocurrency trading, guys. All right. Now, why are we here? We're here because of something called a PAM account. What's a PAM account? Percentage Allocation Management Module. In layman terms, when you open your account and you fund your account with crypto, it's going to be put into a pool. All right. And what happens is that pool is managed by their qualified traders. All right. Yes, they have all types of expert advisors and awesome technology and AI robots that help, but the robots don't control. People control everything. Highly qualified, trained, successful traders. All right. You don't need any investment knowledge or experience. Nobody. All right. At the end of a specific trading period, which happens to be on Friday, right? Friday for us, right? We all will receive our potential ROI or ROD, return on deposit. And that's what the profits are on Friday. Okay. That's the beauty. It's equally distributed amongst all of the account holders. Nobody gets more than another. All right. If you got more money in your trading account, you get more because your percentage, while it's still the same percentage, you have a bigger piece of the pie. No different than if you own stock. If you got more stock than me in a company, even though we earn the same percentage for the day, you got more because you got more in it. All right. Makes sense? I hope it does. All right. Tracking the progress. Everybody wants to know. Documentation beats conversation. How do we make that clear? If you were with NovaTech from January 1st, ladies and gentlemen, to December 31st of last year, and you withdrew your money every single week, you earned an average of 14.825% on your crypto. That's 177.85% if my math holds me correct, guys. Where are you getting that on an everyday basis in America? You're not. Not if you're not the 1 of 5 percentile and you don't have that inner circle. This is a company, guys. Real people, real profits, real results, real company. Let me show you what our last 4 ROI days look like. ROI stands for return on investment. On April 1st, we received 2.98% on our portfolio. On March 25th, we earned 3.18. On March 18th, 3.45. On March 11th, 3.21. Let me tell you why I believe so heavily in this company and why since September, I've been able to share and bring over 5,000 people, me, all right, into this platform. Why? One, I got the credibility already. All right. I made 7 figures in the last 11 months in crypto, and I've helped over 50 people earn multiple 6 figures and thousands earn multiple 5 figures working their same jobs, not quitting no jobs, not selling no lotion, potion, teas, juices, body wraps, insurance, cable, or any of that stuff. All right. While those things are great, this is passive. No recruiting required. All right. I'm going to say that again. No recruiting required. Matter of fact, let's talk about what makes NovaTech different from all those others out there. There's no expiration dates. Trade as long as you want. No repurchase requirements. You don't want to be in it? Cancel. All right. Get your money out. It's up to you. All right. Nobody's forcing you to do anything. 100% access to your capital, ladies and gentlemen. You see that? It's in big and blue. It's important that you understand that. Withdraw from your trading balance at any time. Options to redeposit if you want to build it.
Don't you have to wait 90 days initially or something?
So no, you don't have to wait 90 days. There's a 90-day inconvenience fee of 15% that they will charge if you pull out your principal. So let me give an example. If you put $500 in and in 2 weeks you said, look, I got to pay my rent. I need my money right now. They're going to say, don't you ever come back into this platform. This ain't for you. We taxing you 15% on that 500. Why? Because why in the freak would you ever put money in knowing you're making 2, 3, 4% a week just to take it out? Poor
Right.
mindsets.
401k does that as well. They tax you 15% if you take out your money, and that's in shit 30 years. If you take it out before
Absolutely.
you retire, before you 59 and a half, they charge you 15.
Exactly. So, but after 90 days, you want to take your 500 out, take it out. You want to take your 500,000 out, take it out. They just want to make sure that you're serious, right? Again, we need people that want to change their mindset, not the ones stuck in the poor mentality mindset. And I don't mean that to push that you guys have poor mentality. I'm only saying that because if you're thinking, oh, well, if I got to take my money, don't come into this platform, guys. All right. We don't need you. We value you. All right. No withdrawal limits, guys. I just withdrew 50 grand on Saturday. All right. I took out 50 grand, 48,000 over the last 6 months. All right. I got over 150 in my account. I started with 25 in September. You do the math on what I just said. All right. I'm making 12 to 17,000 every single week. And yes, there's hundreds doing the exact same thing that came right behind me. All right. Again, we're not here to play no games. We're here because there's only a short window, guys, 2 to 5 years before this caps come on it. You already know the government. You already know the folks. They don't want people like you and me earning like this. It's designed for the 1%ers. This is why they want to put a hold on cryptocurrency or put a ceiling on it. They're not going to be able to, but they're trying really, really hard. All right. No recruiting required, guys. It's a global opportunity. You know, people in Africa, in Bangladesh, in India, in Australia, in Europe, in South America, in the Caribbean. All right. Wherever you know them, they can be in Antarctica. If they got an internet connection, they're probably going to be able to join NovaTech. All right. There's only 5 states that unfortunately we're not able to do business in. Don't ask me why. There are certain state regulations that we have to follow. While we're not governed by the SEC or the CFTC, we still have to follow by certain rules so our business is not touched. Texas, South Carolina, Montana, Hawaii, and Alaska. They cannot do business in those states. All right. Is there a workaround? Yes, there's a workaround. Open an LLC outside of the state. Now you're no longer doing business as you in the state. You're doing it under your LLC. That's a real simple fix for those of you that might be in those states. All right. We take 4 different types of cryptocurrency: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Those are the packages, guys. Don't worry about which package. You just get in where you fit in. You want to come in 99 to 499? Go ahead. We don't recommend it. We recommend 500 or higher. Hey, what's up? You want to say hi? Come say hi real quick. My daughter sees me on camera, so she always got to say hi. Say hi. All right. Say hi, Grace. All right. There we go. All right. Daddy got to go back. All right. So guess what? Come in at $500, guys. Don't waste your time. I'm not even going to go into why you shouldn't. We're just telling you, if you don't have 500, work on building your account to get 500, and then you start with us. Again, the goal is for you to earn. All right.
That's why I hate to interject here just a little bit. If you ain't got $500, and I'm telling y'all what this is, get you a damn job, work you some hours to get this, because I'm telling y'all how to do it. So if y'all don't want to get no damn job, just log off. Log off. If you ain't got $500, just log off. Don't even do it. Don't even do it. Because if you can't get no job to work, and I got jobs out there that ain't nobody getting, make you $500 and then learn how to make. Anyway, sorry.
Absolutely. All right. So now if you notice, there's a $25 monthly fee. Here's the beauty of that fee. It comes out in crypto at the end of the 30 days. They don't take no money from you up front, guys. There is no cost to join this platform. All right. They take it from your profits at the end of 30 days. This is why we're saying don't come in at anything under $500. Why? We want to make sure with what we know from the averages, which is about 3% a week or 12% a month, that you're making enough money to cover the $25. Because if not, then your account is going to get lower by $25. And the goal is to not have less money at the end of 30 days. The goal is to have more money at the end of 30 days. All right. If you come in at the VIP level, which is 25,000 to just under 100,000, the company is going to give you a benefit. They're going to waive the $25 monthly fee. I love that. All right. And then they're going to also give you a 1% monthly cash back on whatever they earn you monthly. So if they earn you $3,000 for the month, you'll earn a 1% cash back on the $3,000, not on your trading balance. All right. VIP President's Club, we got about 60 something people now that's coming at least at 100K, right? They are getting 2.5% cash back every single month on their ROI. And they also get a one-time $1,000 bonus from the company. And they also have the $25 monthly fee waive, guys. And ladies and gentlemen, that's exactly how this platform works. Any questions?
They got a lot of questions down here. The main thing is they don't know how to put their money in Coinbase, and that's a whole nother live because we on here 45 minutes and we actually have to close this one. But I'm about to move to Patreon and talk about the team building side of it. Now, team building ain't a whole lot of money. You want to invest your money, right? The team building is not unless you're doing what DAP is doing. DAP do this shit full time. That's how you making money on team building. I don't do it full time. I just invest a lot of money and then make on my return on investment. Now he's going to show you how to make some more money on commissions, especially if you don't have a whole lot of money to invest. You can get other people to invest and then use their return because you get a percentage of it or something. It's low, but I'm showing y'all how to grow. Grow. Take one day at a time. You got $500, put it in. If you don't do it. Don't use your light bill. And I'm not giving financial advice. I will say that over and over again. This is not financial advice. And they did 3% on average for the last 2 years, 3 years. That's not indicative of future earnings, but I can't see how it wouldn't be because they got people trading crypto and making 20 to 30% on your money every week. And they're only giving you 3. So that's how it makes sense in my head. But Dad, I got to go to the Patreon account. Did I say anything?
Absolutely. So let me just say this because you mentioned something. So let me tell you, this is why we're here, right? A lot of you may have never bought crypto before or don't know how to. If you're in the US, it's real simple. One, the easiest way to buy crypto is Cash App. If you got Cash App, you can buy $2,000 a day, $5,000 a week in Bitcoin. Just like you move your cash through Cash App, that's the easiest way to do it. But we have a whole support system and everything like that that can help you. All you're going to have to do is get back with Heavenly, all right, and she will be able to move you into like our Telegram groups where we will help you. All right, all she gonna do is point you in the right direction. All right, she ain't doing nothing else. We already know that, but we're gonna help you like we've helped the group that came in 2 weeks ago. They all earning, guys, every last one of them. All right, all of you on mute. You on mute, Heavenly.
And listen, and they all happy too. They like, Heavenly, I can't believe I'm making money. Listen, don't call me if this shit don't work, man. The shit is working, and I don't know how long the window gonna be open, but I think it's gonna be a long time. I really, really do. But listen, I ain't giving financial advice, but everybody who signed on is making money, and they very happy, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Now you got to learn how to put that money in Coinbase. If y'all can't put it in Cash App, make sure you already have the money available in Cash App before you join, because you ain't got but 48 hours before they delete your new registration account. Right.
Absolutely. This company is serious, guys. Do not, you see that link? You can take that link. Do not register. Do not register, guys, because if you register and you don't fund your account in 48 hours, your account is deleted.
But if you do register, I do have an automated system. If you register under Dr. Heavenly, a girl will contact you within 48 hours to move your money. But try to have it already there in Cash App ready. Have it in crypto.com or Coinbase. But they take a few things like Coin, but I say just put it in Bitcoin or Ethereum and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Absolutely. And they do, for those people that know crypto, they just started accepting USDT Tether. And that's a stable coin. So that way, if you did buy the crypto, it doesn't fluctuate. It works almost similar to what the dollar value is.
The markets did drop big time, but I bet you it won't affect this because these people are making more money than they're actually giving us, right? So 3% ain't shit.
Yeah, and remember too, guys, here's the beauty. So I was just talking to the CEO today. And again, remember, this company's been around 3 years. They have not had 1 week yet. All right. Now, again, they can never promise results every week that's going to be positive because they don't know what the market is going to do. But they have never not delivered on a Friday in almost 3 years. The market has gone up and down 8 or 9 times. All right. We know what Bitcoin and crypto did in April. You know what your stock portfolio has done in the last 6 months. And I can tell y'all, if y'all haven't looked at it, it's down 50%. All right. Guess what? All of our accounts are up 60 to 70% in that same 6-month window. Why? They're not holding crypto like how you would hold a stock. They're always trading it. Bitcoin going down, they trading it down. We're making money. Bitcoin go up, they're trading it up. We're making money. This is why we say you don't need to know all the knowledge. You just need to see the profits. So I'm gonna leave y'all with that, and we gotta get to the next platform.
All right, and I'm gonna just answer this last question. Yeah, you have to have an account set up. You can use Coinbase, you can use Cash App, and you can use crypto.com. Either way, you need to purchase Bitcoin. Y'all don't have to go through a whole lot of trying to decide what should I use. Should I use Bitcoin and Ethereum? Use anything. It don't matter. I say use Ethereum because I had more Ethereum in my account because it takes time for it to season before you can move.
If you're going to use any crypto, use Bitcoin. But let me also say this, and this is where we're going to help you if you decide that you want to be a part of this. What was I going to say? If you're going to fund your account and you're not going to use Cash App, wire your money to your Coinbase account. Crypto.com, you can use a debit card. But if you're going to use Coinbase, don't do ACH because it takes 7 to 10 business days before your money clears from your bank. Where if you just wire the money, all right, and these are for people that's going to start with at least 1,000 or more, your money is there same day within 2 hours, and you're able to move it into crypto and then send it to NovaTech. But again, we're going to help you with all that. Another place that you can go, guys, let me tell you how I made my million. All right, YouTube. It's 2-minute and 3-minute tutorials for stupid people on YouTube. All right, and I was straight stupid before I learned how to do this. I'm like, I ain't got, that's like learning Spanish. All right. My wife speaks Spanish. I don't need to learn Spanish. I'm adult. I ain't got time for that no more. That's the mentality I had. I went on YouTube, started watching these 3-minute and 5-minute videos. Within a month, I was an expert. I had 20 different exchanges. And you guys got to be proactive, guys. Again, 3% is a privilege. All right. That's a privilege.
I done did the shit he did too. I went on there and learned how to invest. And I promise you, I lost damn money. I invested in the high things. I mean, they said don't do the shit coins, do the Bitcoin. Did Bitcoin, Ethereum, did the Luna, get the Sol, all of that. All the ones they said was good, that was kind of stable, lost money. Have not lost any money yet in this NovaTech, and I don't think I will. There may be some weeks that you get 1% and not 3%. There may be some weeks you get 5% and not 3%, but on average, it's been 3% the last 3 years. I'm telling you, I did that crypto stuff. Don't do it unless you know what the hell you're doing, because I done set up in there and lost $17,000 just like that, playing with crypto. This here, they invest in it for you. So wait, learn it if you want to learn it. You can make a whole lot more than 3%. But if you don't know how to do it, boo, don't play with it. That's my advice. And I ain't giving financial advice. I'm just telling you my experiences. Okay? Yeah, you did April, but it's okay. You'll be ready soon, baby. Take your time. We about to go to Patreon, and you're gonna talk about the investment affiliate opportunity, how you can make money from other people's money. Okay, so we about to go to Patreon. Y'all follow me, patreon.com/DrHeavenly. Okay, Dap, I'm gonna give you the link in a second. Okay.
All right, cool. All right, y'all.
All right, bye-bye. If I could figure it out. I'm in the broadcast, y'all. Put your questions in the comment, because a lot of times I will read them. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all like the channel. I don't just do financial stuff. I do dental stuff. I do gossip. I do relationship stuff. Business, money, relationships, and gossip. Boop. I just get online sometime and we just shoot the breeze. Okay. So make sure y'all subscribe so y'all know when I come on. Okay. I'll see y'all on Patreon. All right. Bye-bye.